Today I will make a cake out of your rice cooker. Those are the ingredients. We need sugar, honey, 3 eggs, and some flour, and some vinegar, and some milk, and some oil. Let's get started! This step, you need to get an egg and crack and separate the yolk and the white. I will do it now. Now we're going to do the exciting part. This step, you need to put the flour in the egg yolk, but put the flour bit by bit. Now we need to add some milk and some oil. Now we're really done. If you want more flavor, so you can add some honey onto the egg yolk. This is the hardest part. We need to put the vinegar and the sugar into the egg white. The most hardest part is to use hand blender to blend. Make sure ask your grown-up for help. This is the perfect egg white form. We need to put the egg white foam into the egg yolk. We need to stir it like an old witch. Now we need to wipe some oil around the rice cooker bowl and add some foam. Now we need to press the button. When it's done, we need to press it again. I will press the button. The cake is done. We need to use a mitten to let